Today we are installing Turbo C7 compiler on our computer. For that you have to open your Chrome browser. In search bar enter Turbo C7 download and you will land on this website. After that you have to click on first result. Once you click on first result, you don't need to do anything. It can automatically download Turbo C7 file. It can take little bit time to download. Have a patience guys. So as you can see, this might be started downloading. Here you can see, okay, the downloading has been started. Let's click Ctrl and J on your keyboard. And yes guys, this is around 3.4 MB. Once you download this software, then installation process is quite simple. So our file has been downloaded. We are click on this file icon and this will open in file explorer. Here you will see that file. So this file will be here. You have to simply click this file and right click, and you will see a option extract to setup turbo C. You have to click here and this will extract your file. Okay, the extracted file will be here. We have to double click to open this file. Guys, you have to select this turbo C7 and right click, and you have to click on this run as administrator. After that you have to click on this run as administrator. Okay, after that you have to click on this next, 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 and make sure you have to click this checkbox, and then also you have to click on next and install, and you have to click on finish, and this compiler will be open. So in this way you can install this turbo C7 compiler. I am giving you this compiler download link in description. If you like this video, like, share, subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much.